Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can create a World First account, so let's get started. First, open your browser and go to worldfirst.com. At the top of the page, you'll see a list of regions or countries. Click on the one that's relevant to you. This ensures you're taken to the correct version of the website for your country or business location. Once you've selected your region, click on Sign Up at the bottom of the page to begin creating your account. The first thing you'll need to do is choose your country or region. Remember, this should be the country where your business is registered or where you mainly operate. Select your country, then click Continue. Next, you'll need to confirm that your company's registered location is correct. World First doesn't allow changing the country later, so double-check everything before moving forward. Once you're sure, click Confirm. Now, you'll see a registration form asking for details like your email and password. You can also use your mobile number instead of an email if you prefer. Once you enter your information, World First will send a verification code. Enter that code to confirm your account. Then, create your secure login password. If you have an invitation code, you can enter it in the provided box. After that, read and accept the terms and conditions and the privacy policy, then click Continue. On the next page, you'll need to fill out some security information and provide business details. Just follow the prompts and complete all required fields carefully. Once you've entered everything and confirmed your information, your World First account will be successfully created, and you'll be ready to start using it for your international business transactions. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.